Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check with me from this one first. Green racing car. About this one, yellow super motorbike. Captain America, Hero Captain America. You can see a strong gas shield with a big star. Police car, yellow color. About this one, red car, number 3. Mini excavator, yellow body. Mini airplane with the word happy, 868, white color. My favorite mini airplane. About this one, mini excavator, a cute excavator with colorful excavator. Iron Man, mini Iron Man, red color. Mini excavator. How about this one? Monster truck. Nice monster truck. Okay, let's check the next one. Red express bus. Everybody, let's move forward again and check the next interesting truck. Green supercar. Yellow car. How about this one? A nice express bus. Yellow express bus. Green express bus. Tank truck. And last one, red racing car. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck. But before I finish, if you love this video, please write down. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck.